Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about what is different between conjunctions and linking words. Okay, at first, what is conjunctions? Conjunctions. Okay, what is different between conjunctions and linking words? Conjunctions and linking words are both essential elements in language that have connect words, phrases, or and clauses in sentences. While they serve similar purpose, there are some key differences between the two. Functions. First, functions. Okay, conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to join words, phrases, or clauses within a sentence. They serve to connect similar or different elements and indicate the relationship between them. Examples of conjunctions include and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet, etc. Example: I like apple and he prefers oranges. Linking words. Linking words, also known as connectors or transi- trans, transitional words, are used to create smooth transitions between sentences or paragraphs. They help to establish logical connections between ideas and contribute to the overall coherence and flow of the text. Examples of linking words include however, in addition, therefore, meanwhile, on the other hand, and therefore. Example: the weather was terrible, however, we decided to go to the trip. Okay, where can we place them? Placement, okay? Conjunctions. Conjunctions are typically placed between the words, phrases, or clauses they are connecting. Example: she studied hard, so she passed the exam. Linking words. Linking words can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence depending on the context and the desired emphasis. Example 1: furthermore, we need to consider other options. Example 2: we need to consider other options furthermore. In here we can mark that in the furthermore is used at the beginning of the sentence and at the end of the sentence too. Scope. Conjunctions mainly connect words, phrases, or clauses within a single sentence. Example: I woke up early but I still feel tired. Linking words. Linking words are often used to connect ideas across multiple sentences or paragraphs, providing coherence to a larger piece of writing. Example: the first day of the trip was fun, however, the second day brought heavy rain, which depended our spirits. In summary, we have to make a summary. In summary, conjunctions primarily connect elements within a sentence, while linking words establish connections between sentences or paragraphs in a broader context. Both are essential for creating well-structured and coherent communication. Thank you very much, friends. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel.